Hi everyone. I am recording this video on July 6th in preparation for your midterm exam. So I've made a couple of updates to our website and I want to prepare you for your midterm. So the first update is, if you look here on our web page, the honor code has been updated today. And you look at the file, what you'll see is I've included different information in that I'm asking your proctor to scan and send the material, and I've removed the option of mailing it to me through snail mail. And the reason for that is I grade everybody's exams at the same time, so if I have somebody's exam coming through the postal service, it delays my grading for everybody, and I like to get these back to you as soon as possible. Now, the other thing that I would like to point out is that when you scroll down on our page, I know this will make you a little bit dizzy, right at the end of our chapter 4, which is the last of the material for the midterm exam, there is a button that says Chapter 4 Homework Problem Work Session and Exam Info. I'm going to replace that with a button that says New as of July 6th, and we'll have this video. So I want you to take a look at this before you, so it's kind of a redundant, it's kind of like an infinite cycle, isn't it? So I'm recording the video right now, and I'm posting the video, and I'm telling you I'm going to post the video. So, but I want you to watch this video prior to our exam. Now, the exam will take 2 hours and requires a proctor session. There are 10 students in this class, and I've only received proctor information from 4 of you. The 4 of you, for privacy reasons, I'm not going to state your full names, but I will state your initials, and there are no duplicate initials. So if I read your initials, you'll know that I have received your proctor information. I've also corresponded with you about that. But the 4 students who have sent me their proctor information have the initials D.A., J.A., K.T., and L.D. So if you're one of those students, I'm corresponding with your proctor, and I will send the information to your proctor. If you do not have those initials, you need to make arrangements with the proctor and get that name to me right away so that I can correspond with them and determine if it's going to be appropriate for that person to proctor you. At any rate, make sure that you take care of that, being as this is Friday morning and our exam is, I believe, due by midnight next Thursday. We need to take care of this in a timely fashion. At any rate, the exam will take 2 hours. You will be allowed a single sheet of paper, which I call a formula sheet. Some students refer to it as a cheat sheet or a crib sheet. And that sheet needs to be written in your own handwriting. A regular size sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. You can put anything on it that you like, as long as it's in your own handwriting. Then when you submit your exam, you need to submit that formula sheet with your work. So you'll give everything that you write on in the exam to your proctor. The proctor will scan it and destroy the material, or they can snail mail that back to me after they scan it. But you cannot remove any materials from the room. Anything that you write on during the exam has to be sent to me. You also cannot use cell phones or any internet capable device during the exam, but you can use the tables from your textbook, although I will write the exam with data so that you won't have to. But you're not going to have time because it's a timed exam. It will take 2 hours. There will be 4 problems, 1 from each chapter. There will not be time to learn the material during the test, but if you need a reference, you can turn to your textbook and find it quickly. So at any rate, this is sort of the setup for our exam. If you have any questions, please let me know as soon as possible. Please contact me with the name and contact information, professional email address for your proctor and be prepared to take the exam by next Thursday at midnight. I should also warn you that if you fail to take the exam, because the exam is worth 40% of your grade, it will be impossible for you to pass this class. So I will perform administrative drops, meaning I will withdraw you from the class. Well, it would actually be Friday morning or Thursday morning. Friday morning on the 13th. So please make sure that you either take the exam, or in the event of extenuating circumstances, let me know so that I can make plans accordingly. All right, so please email me if you have any questions at all. I'm available to you almost 24/7, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So thanks, and have a great weekend.